Hi, I am a famously cheap man. I will not spend any more money than I have to. As we can see, I like playing Minecraft, and in front of me I have Minecraft Realms at £5.59 a month. Or I can get 30 days for just under £20 a month. It's a bit expensive for me for a game I like to just run casually. So rather than spending this amount of money, I've gone over to VPS hosting with Ionos and I've grabbed myself the smaller server for £1 or $1 a month if you're in the US. Gives you one CPU core and half a gig of RAM. That is not really quite enough to run Minecraft Bedrock Edition. However, because I'm only going to have one or two, maybe three people on there maximum, and maybe some people I invite off the website if they want to try and playing on there, then I think it should be fine. But if you want to be safe, you can go for the £2 a month option, which will give you 2 cores and 2 gigs of RAM, which is over the specifications required to run a Minecraft Bedrock server. So this is already ordered, and I've gone with a Debian 11 install to keep things nice and small and to use as little memory as possible. We have the IP address here, and as you can see, the status indicates it's online. If I scroll down, I can find my password, which I can use to log in using SSH. To begin, I'm just going to run cmd, and then I'm going to run SSH. So it's SSH, or SSH I should say, root at, and then we want our IP address. I know it starts with 77, and then 68,166. Once I've got that typed in, I simply press enter. Then I right click to paste in my password and press enter. And now I have access. The first command I'm going to type in is sudo apt update. This will update all the libraries ready to do an upgrade. So sudo apt upgrade is the next procedure just to make sure our operating system is up to date. Next, I need to type in sudo apt install zip screen wget. These are 3 programs that I need in order to get this process running. The -y allows me to install this without having to confirm on yes prompts. So this will now just download and install as I intend. Next, I'm going to add a user. So sudo useradd -d Minecraft -m Minecraft. This will add a new user to the system. This is one I've already created. So I need to set the password. So sudo passwd and Minecraft will allow you to do that. And you'll need to type it in a second time. Next, we need to download the Minecraft server software. This version will update over time, so you'll need to update the file name. You can find the latest file name at minecraft.net/download server and bedrock. All you got to do is click on this box and hover over the download button. You'll see that it says in the lower left hand corner bedrock-server- and then the number you need. So we're just going to press enter on that and we'll wait for it to download. Next, we need to unzip this file, so we run the unzip command and we type in our corrected file name. This will then extract everything in that archive. Before we can run the software, we need to set the server as an executable, and for that we use chmod +x and bedrock_server. This then gives it permissions to execute. Now you could just type in bedrock_server and it will execute normally, but the problem with this is that when you close this terminal window or you exit the SSH software, the program will cease to run. So to prevent that from happening, we're going to use the command screen. Screen will keep it running in the background even when we log out of SSH or close our command window. So to run the software now, we just type in screen./bedrock_server, press enter, and as you can see, everything is being set up now. So we have starting server, we have the version, session ID, level name, survival, easy, and everything else we need to know. So now what we got to do is log into our newly installed server using Minecraft. And here we are now in Minecraft. I'm going to click on play, servers. Then you click on add server. You type in the server name and your address. Now I've already done this, so I've just called it cheap Minecraft server, and you can see cheap Minecraft server, address of my server. Click on save, and we can see the ping is green, and I'm going to log in now. So it's now generating our world. And with that, we have a cheap Minecraft server that absolutely anyone can run for very little money. Welcome to my new Minecraft server. If you want to join in, have some fun, give it a play, and see how well it performs, please feel free. This is the half gig tier with only a single core processor. So it would be interesting to get some more people on here, load it down, and see if it can cope with everyone playing at the same time. By default, it's set up as 10 users default. So why not have a hop on, see what you think the performance is like, maybe have some fun in the process. And if you decide you don't like the performance of this server that well, then you may want to go for the 2 gig model and the 2 core version I demonstrated for £2 rather than the £1 I'm paying for this one. So thank you very much for joining. I hope you all have fun here, and I hope you all have, well, fun. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The instructions are in the comments of this video, so please like, follow, and subscribe. I need your support to continue making these videos. So thank you again for your time. Please don't forget to like and follow. And please subscribe to my channel. Right now I have about 900 followers or so, so it would be great to bump that up to around 1,000. And while you're at it, please give my videos a watch as well. I have designing a 3D pot, building a Raspberry Pi tablet, and a number of short videos you might be willing to check out. If you have a 3D printer and fancy downloading something, check out ckenthusiast.com, which now has some 3D prints you can download and run. And while you're at it, you can support me by purchasing some of my books, which you can find on Amazon. Or the quickest way is to jump onto my website, click on the books drop-down menu, and see if there's anything you'd be interested in reading. I have a range of books for some kids, and I have some pretty good HTML5 and Bootstrap tutorial books as well. In the future, keep an eye out for raspberrycode.com. That's raspberrycode.com. This will be my new training and tutorial website where I'll be publishing some courses, some free courses that people can take on the Raspberry Pi Pico, Raspberry Pi, and maybe some server tutorials as well. Thanks for your support. Please like, follow, and subscribe.